Hello viewers, welcome to Design with Lobby's YouTube channel. For those who have been here and have watched a couple of my videos, I will advise you subscribe to the channel so you will get updated whenever I release a recent videos. Thank you for your time. Today we are going to design a simple task. That task is on how to match an image and how to match an object, or how to match a simple icon. So today we are going to learn how to match. Now, to begin with, I will not be going to a particular background of an image or an icon which I downloaded. So we'll be using our shapes and of course our text to do the simple tasks. Are we together? So without further ado, I'm going to go to the plus sign, go to your shapes. Right now we have shapes in different shapes. Right, some are oval, some are circle, some have a love sign, some are hexagon, and different shape. So quickly go to your drop down bottle. Now when you go to your drop down bottle, you can see some different shapes we have here. Right, all right, I will go with the circle sign. Right now I'm going to reduce it manually like I used to. Right, here we go. Well, I'm bringing it here because there's this particular shape I have in mind when doing this task. I will not say it. Maybe after the task you can think for yourself and tell me what task did we just do. Right, so bringing such shape like this, you have to first of all look for a color. Are we going with a white? Are we going with a black, blue? There are different types of color, so I think I will go with this color, right, for our first task. All right, going with the color, I click the good button so that it will remain there. Right, I'm going back to the shape again to get another new shape that will best suit this program. All right, your drop down button again. Good. Let me see. All right, I will go with this. Right, yeah, I'm going to increase it a bit, though you can increase it manually. You come to when you come to your size, you can increase it manually. So here, color. Right, this color, same color. You can see without me even taking it behind, they are already synchronized. They look beautiful together. Right, all right, let me bitly increase the size. All right, now we are about merging them, because when you try manually, you see it will go. When you try moving them, even if you lock the button, one will move away from the other. So what I'm trying to do is looking for a way, showing us the step that I can use in merging them. Are we together? All right, now you go to your right hand side. There is this shape at the top. All right, you click this. After clicking this, down to your below button to the interface that just came out. There's a white circle there indicating good and multiplication. So you click there. After clicking there is an empty box that shows out. Now you click each and every empty box. Is showing you like, okay, click this if you want to match us. Right now you still come back to that cycle. You see within the cycle or inside the cycle, you see like a dice there, right? That dice coming, attaching their self to each other, right? You click there. After clicking there is a confirmation that will come out, which is indicating what? Are you sure you want to match the selected objects? What are you supposed to say? Of course, okay. Okay means yes, is a Boolean expression. Okay, you said that yes or no. Now you click down at the top, you click to that cycle again, it will go back, right? Now try to move them around and see yourself. That's if you are following me doing the stacks. You can see is moving, isn't it? Now there is a particular something I want us to do, where you try to change the color because they are matched. You can see you can change them to any desired color you want. It means that the two of them are now what? One. It's more like an husband and a wife. When they are married, they become what? One entity. They are no longer two, according to the tradition, or to the Christendom, so to say. Are we together? All right, I'm taking them to the first color, which I just did. Now when you want to include the text to it, you can also do that inside the shape or at the top of the shape. Now let's try imputing a text. You just go click this a sign, text, edit. Okay, let's use I look like a, let's see, we are increasing the size here manually. I look like, you can actually make it bold. Right? I look like, you can make it bold, you can make it bold, you can make it italic. I look like a see, right? I look like a. Now you want to input another text, you just go to copy. You are copying this text to edit it, then you write whistle, right? Tell me, you obviously, these little tags of ours obviously look like what? A whistle they roughly normally use. Am I right? It was after the tags that the shape now comes out of my mind, right? I look like a what? Whistle. Now we can actually match them. When you try to move in this, you can see it will not go with the write-ups. Now we come back to our tags. Right? Come here. This sign again. You can see the button showing, right? You click here, and you click the last button. Again, the same procedure. You want to match them? Yes. Okay. Go back. Here we have it. That will be taken for today. Thank you for your time. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can be informed whenever I download a new and a recent video. Thank you once again for your time. Thank you for subscribing to Design with Lomis. I look forward to bringing you more suitable and current video that will bring money to your pocket. Thank you once again. Do have a nice day from wherever you are. Bye. Tracks.